Welcome back. This is part 51. If you are new, let me tell you something important. This short is just one part of a bigger series. All the parts are organized in a playlist, so check it out if you want to start from the beginning and follow step by step. Now, in this step, I'll guide you through another detail of the model. You can copy what I'm doing, but I always recommend experimenting a little. Add your own creative ideas. That's how you'll learn faster and make the work your own. I also upload long tutorials on different models, so if you enjoy detailed sessions, you'll find them on my channel. And finally, support really matters. Subscribe so you never miss a new part, like this video to show love, and leave a comment. Even a simple comment can keep me motivated. And remember, the playlist is there for the full journey.